Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to build a 24/7 AI receptionist for your local service business so you never miss another customer call. We'll be using Web AI for this, so make sure to create an account before we start. This isn't sponsored, it's just the tool I'm using for the build. We're going to use an HVAC business as the example, but you can adapt this for pretty much any local service business. Now let's watch a quick demo so you can see exactly what we're building.
There, this is Alex from Comfort Climate HVAC Services. How can I help you with your heating or cooling needs today?
Hi Alex, I would like to schedule a maintenance visit.
Absolutely, and I can help schedule that. Is this for an HVAC service appointment? If so, please send your name, phone number, email, service address, what issue you're having, your preferred date and time, and whether it's urgent.
My name is John, and the service address is 155 Maple Street, Austin, Texas 15555. The phone number is 1234567, and the email address is example@gmail.com.
Thanks, John. What issue are you having with the system? What day and time would you like, and is this urgent?
It's not urgent, it's just a routine maintenance visit, and I would like to schedule something for tomorrow at 2 p.m.
Perfect, you're all set. We've scheduled your routine maintenance appointment for tomorrow at 2 p.m. Thanks for calling Comfort Climate HVAC Services. We'll see you at your scheduled appointment. Have a great day.
Thanks, Alex. You too. Bye. Once you created your web account and logged in, go to Assistants. Then press on Create Assistant, give it a name. In our case, it's Alex. Then press on Create. Yep, and then you need to change the model. I found GPT 5.4 to be the best. Next, you need to set up the first opening message that your AI assistant is gonna say. And most importantly, you need to set up a system prompt. This is basically a set of instructions that your AI receptionist must follow. You can specify literally anything you want in there. And don't forget to press the publish button. Then go ahead and press on integrations. We need to integrate Google Calendar with it. Yeah, so with Google Calendar, I already set it up, but just follow the instructions and connect it to your account. Then go to Tools, and here we're gonna set up a few tools. First is the API request tool. We need it so the agent knows the current date and year. So give it a name, a description, a request URL. This is the URL where the AI agent is going to get the current tool, the current date. And now scroll down, and in the response body set the variable to result of type string and check the required checkbox. The next tool that we need to create is for scheduling Google events. Go to Google Calendar and select Google Calendar tool, set the name and the description. Scroll down and set the calendar ID. It's very important. It's basically your Gmail address, and the actual time zone. It's also very important, so the agent knows where your business is located. And the last tool that we need to set up is for checking availability. Again, it's available under the Create Tool dropdown, and the name is Google Calendar Check Availability Tool. Set the description, calendar ID, and the time zone. Now go back to Agents, Alex, Tools bar, and select all the tools that we've created. So basically you connect those tools to your agent, then save it. And the last thing that we need to do is create a phone number. So go to phone numbers and create phone number, press on the create phone number drop down. And WebP actually gives you some free phone numbers that you can create. I already created one. Give it a name and scroll down and connect it to the agent that we created. In our case, it's Alex. and press on save. And that's pretty much it for the agent. Now you can go back to the assistance bar, Alex, and then press on the talk button, and you can actually test it offline, or you can call it and interact with it. For today, I left the prompt and the tool descriptions in the description of the video. That's it for today. I left the prompt and the tool descriptions in the description. Please feel free to... That's it for today. I left the prompt and the tool descriptions in the video description. Please